morning, Donnie.
Good morning, Joel.
You all teched and ready to go?
We're both teched. Both teched, both ready. Joel got here like 3 hours ago because, you know, he worked and I didn't on Thursday, so he made it here last night and he's gonna be running on no sleep, but we can go. We got driver's meetings still.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's
in a little bit, and then kart track warm up, then main.
Oh
so
yeah,
we're gonna be having some fun here soon. Get the GoPro on.
Yeah, you get really good GoPro footage.
I get the GoPro footage.
Yeah, I might have to steal some from you.
I got you. We'll be good. Airing down though already.
Alright, so Donnie and I did some sight laps, and now we got our stickers on, wasted some tires. Well, Donnie's still good on tires.
I got a session on main, and then a full kart track session. One set of tires, so.
No, I acted dumb at the big track.
Joel was doing some things. He was trying to drift every turn, I think, and I was just drifting the turns that I wanted to. So.
Yeah, I don't know if we got any footage of that, but
we got some footage.
Why do I need some if Donnie's got it?
Donnie out here working when he's supposed to be driving.
Joel, everybody calling me out for helping the Vargas brothers. What's going on here? We got something against the Vargas brothers?
Who got something against us?
Bunch of owls out here. What up, Joel?
What's up?
Doing FDF things.
Compromise.
Look at this bumper boy with
the relay.
No way.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's on.
The relay went bad, so now we have fans again.
Yeah, you want to look at his washers? Wait, what? Are those rotary? These are rotary washers.
That's the nicest thing on this car, like hardware-wise.
You got any Teflon tape?
I do have Teflon tape.
Put some Teflon tape.
So we're doing
on.
sketchy stuff. We don't have our clutch master cylinder, and as you guys know with twin and triple disc clutch, if you get through the first disc doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get through the second disc. So we tried shop air. Shop air is only 150 psi. This is a lot more than 150 psi. So we're gonna slowly turn this up until we get the clutch.
So it says I got 1,000 psi left in this. So
yeah, let's not do that. But you know, we're gonna slowly trickle it on in there. So a little Teflon tape. What I'm gonna do is just put pressure on the back of the trans, and then wait for it to release the throwout bearing. So that way, or push the throwout bearing to release the clutch. So then it'll pop in the rest of the way into the pilot. Then I can actually tighten these bolts all the way.
And everyone's gone. We've been doing a lot today, but we haven't filmed any of it because we're on a deadline crunch here. And let's face it, they're going to have a lot of videos of drifting and all sorts of crap for the Wednesday video. I think Joel got everything done for the Saturday video. I don't know. Well, hopefully we have a Saturday video. Maybe not. Probably not. They're all at Gridlife in Japan. So we're just plugging away. So technically, if no one's here until Monday, we have until Monday to get this car finished.
Unsupervised.
Unsupervised shenanigans. That means overtime. Quick little update. We have all of our hard pipe done, hard lines done.
Water pump, fuel lines in the back half, cool lines in the back half.
Cool lines in the front half are half done. So I have one running around to the cold side, and then the hot one is going to come from up there. We're waiting on our 150 from Viber. We ordered next day, about 2 hours ago, so it'll be in tomorrow. And then this one runs down. And she cruises right along. So, did we have to pie it? Yes. We had to.
There's always time for pie.
Yeah, always time for pie. And we already had a mount for our water pump, so we literally just had to make it work with what it was there. And it came out to be beautiful.
Love to see it.
Have our bulkheads up there. I'll show you the top side afterwards, but the routing and everything is lovely.
That would be lovely.
Kudos for whoever gets that movie reference. One thing you guys might learn, half of the crap that we say is a movie reference or a TV show reference. Only the good ones, though. You know, so you should be able to get them. A lot of Will Ferrell, a lot of Office. Yeah, I mean, that pretty much sums it up. Anything in relation to that is it. But yeah, we're really excited about this. It's only one thing on our check mark list, but it really should have been multiple things, because you have fuel lines going from the fuel rail and fuel pressure regulator, and then you have the coolant lines coming from the hot side and the cool side, and then you have to make those lines, and then you have to finish up this, which has all of that included in it, and then have it go to the water pump, to the fuel filter, and then go up to the bulkhead. And then from the bulkhead, it does the same thing. It has to go from the bulkhead up to the fuel cell and then to the radiator. So there's a lot going on. Me and Chris commented on this, like, imagine how fast it would have been if we just would have ran like 20 feet worth of 20 AN hose. Like, we would have been done.
Good thing we're not, like, you know, pressed for time or anything like that.
Yeah. And, you know, we can't do anything simple. Ever. Ever.
Blessing and a curse.
Yeah. I mean, it's got to get sauce, and unfortunately for us, we don't have a cap or a measuring device for sauce, so it just gets turned on. Faucet on. Let's go.
Falls off.
Yeah. There is no lid. It just pours out.
So as we start wrapping up most of our stuff for the cooling system, for one, we got a new Drift HQ product. It is a 20 AN or 16 AN thermostat housing. So that's cool because you don't have to worry about welding stuff onto it. You can just buy it, and this one is actually made for the GEs with the M6 studs. Another thing we're putting in here is our spec tune thermostat delete. So there's a thermostat delete piece that's going to go inside of there. That basically is just a metal ring with a gasket. And then you have this, which is normally a hollow tube, and now they're going to be bypassing that. So that basically forces full coolant flow to go to your radiator. And then you just install your upper piece here that goes to the side of the block. It comes with the O-rings, the gaskets, the seals, even some dielectric grease. So check it out. You can get it on drifthq.com.
So the car's all put together.
The car's all put together. We managed to get it all done by Saturday evening.
Yeah, we were here till like 8, but you know.
8:30 plus cleanup. Yeah, we were working on the car till 8 o'clock. Saturday night. But after that, I mean, wait
Yeah, I mean,
a
you
second.
gotta put the
dashboard back
it,
in.
and I'm waiting on a brake switch to come in and a few other little things, but all in all,
We did have the dash in it and bolted down.
so we are
And with
fuel one
boys.
for the lift pump, fuel 2, computer, fuel pressure. Classic AEM. This thing just started yesterday, no problem.
Because Joel put the camera on.
Oops.
Oh, no, because I'm an idiot and I have these wired differently. I'm using the old ARC switch pad and I have the buttons laid out in a different orientation. So computer's actually where ignition is now, so now my ECU is actually on. So
Whoops.
just priming it, you know? Just
Yeah.
priming it.
She's a runner, she's a track car.
You know, good old drive-by cable, no idle air control valve, E85 cold starts. But you know, we know what we're dealing with. But yeah, she's good to roll. So we're just waiting on a few things and then we'll have it ready. Dyno should be in like 2 weeks and we'll get everything sorted out. And then we'll see how much power we make on this new Turbo Smart unit. I'm very curious to see how the power band is and drivability and everything and see if what they're claiming is actually true.
You don't learn.
We gonna learn.
It looks pretty.
Yeah,
Sure doesn't look good.
it looks good.
Happy with it.
Good.
It was a fast build.
Yeah.
Nice job. Very fast. Even
Like,
though we already built it
subscribe,
before,
comment.
we had to do a bunch of changes to it. So it was like building a whole new car over again. So yeah, let us know what you think about the 2JZ E46. Like, subscribe, comment. Y'all. You see that? I can touch my toes.
Mona 4.0, 5.0, I don't even know at this point.